When I think of heaven, delivering me in a black-winged bird, I think of flying down into the sea of pines and feathers and all the other instruments of faith and sex and God in the belly of a black-winged bird. Don't try to beat me, 'cause I've been here before and I deserve a little more. I belong in the service of the Queen, and I belong anywhere but in between. She's been lying, and I've been thinking, well, I am the rain king. Well, I'll say, mama, why am I so alone? I can't go outside, I'm scared I might not make it home. But I'm alive, and I'm sinking in. Is there anybody home at your place, darling? Why don't you invite me in? Don't try to bleed me, 'cause I've been here before and I deserve a little more. I belong in the service of the Queen, and I belong anywhere but in between. She's been lying, and I've been sinking. Well, I am the rain king. Yeah, I only want the same as anyone, and the sun is waiting for the sun. Always seems like endlessly begin and end. After all the dreaming, I come home again. When I think of heaven, deliver me in a black-winged bird, I think of dying. Let me down in a field of flame and feathers, and I render up my body into the burning heart of God in the belly of a black-winged bird. Don't try to bleed me, 'cause I've been here before and I deserve a little more. I belong in the service of the Queen, and I belong anywhere but in between. She's been